In today's digital world, Instagram followers are more than just numbers. They are the members of your community, the individuals that interact with your brand, and ultimately, the ones who can help your business grow. If your primary aim is to expand on Instagram, you'll see an increase in traffic, sales, and engagement. Today we're sharing 18 ways to gain more Instagram followers. These methods go beyond just increasing your follower count. They also provide you the best social media management platforms for planning, scheduling, and analyzing your posts. First, never buy Instagram followers. It's not about the quantity, but the quality of your followers that truly matters. Second, establish a strong personal brand and value proposition. Make sure that your brand stands out and offers something unique to your followers. Third, create a consistent Instagram feed. This helps in making your brand recognizable and attractive to potential followers. Fourth, optimize your Instagram bio. It's often the first thing people see, so make it catchy and informative. Fifth, write captions for Instagram SEO. This helps in making your posts discoverable and boosts your visibility on the platform. Sixth, find the best hashtags for your followers. Hashtags are a great way to reach out to potential followers who are interested in your content. Seventh, create a consistent Instagram posting schedule. Consistency is key to keeping your followers engaged and interested. Eighth, find your best time to post. This ensures that your posts reach the maximum number of followers. Ninth, ensure your Instagram content is accessible. This helps in reaching out to a wider audience and makes your brand more inclusive. 10th, work with other brands, creators, and influencers. Collaborations can help you reach new audiences and gain more followers. 11th, create more Instagram Reels. They are a fun and engaging way to connect with your followers and attract new ones. 12th, optimize your Instagram story highlights. They are a great way to showcase your best content and attract more followers. 13th, create memes and other shareable content. This not only engages your current followers, but also has the potential to go viral and attract new followers. 14th, leverage user-generated content. It not only creates a sense of community, but also provides you with fresh and authentic content. 15th, run an Instagram giveaway. It's a great way to reward your followers and attract new ones. 16th, cross-promote your Instagram on other channels. This helps you reach out to a wider audience and gain more followers. 17th, analyze high-performing content. Understanding what works for your brand can help you create more of such content and attract more followers. And finally, engage with your community. Respond to comments, like posts, and create a sense of community. This helps in retaining your current followers and attracting new ones. In conclusion, gaining more Instagram followers is not just about increasing numbers. It's about building a community, engaging with your followers, and providing value. With these 18 strategies, you can boost your Instagram growth and achieve your business goals. Remember, the potential growth you could achieve on Instagram is vast. It's all about using the right strategies and providing consistent, engaging, and valuable content.